Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is up to date and compatible with your OS. This prevents version conflicts. Once done, close all Chrome windows and save any work because a full restart will clear transient issues. Make sure to open an incognito window next. If pages load there, extensions are likely the culprit. Next, disable all extensions in Chrome, //extensions, and restart Chrome. You perform these steps now to isolate whether the blank page is caused by extensions, profile corruption, or a deeper setting. Now you dig into profile and settings issues that commonly cause a blank page. First, reset Chrome settings to default to remove misconfigured flags or startup pages. This reverts behavior without deleting bookmarks. If that doesn't help, create a new user profile and sign in to see if the blank screen is profile-specific. Also clear cache, cookies, and site data for the affected sites to remove corrupted files. After each change, restart Chrome and test to narrow down the failing component. For final resolution, uninstall Chrome and reinstall with a clean installer. This eliminates corrupted binaries. Make sure to back up bookmarks and export passwords first. Also check your firewall, antivirus, and proxy settings because network blocks can show as a blank page. If reinstallation fails, run the Chrome cleanup tool or your OS repair utilities to remove lingering malware or system errors. If you still see a blank page, try one key troubleshooting tip. Test another browser and compare network responses to isolate Chrome-specific causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.